Hi guys, welcome to G3 Plus Fashion with me Aarti. In today's video is sari draping for cotton saris and linen saris in different variations. As you know, you can always wear linen and cotton saris to office, for formal occasions and also for parties. So I'm going to show you different ways you can style this, and you know these are new hype trends with printed blouses or even silk and cotton blouses that we have just right behind me. And if you're interested in shopping the collection, don't forget you can find them at g3fashion.com. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch new style draping videos.
For the first sari, we're going to start draping the sari from the right side. Take one wrap around and stop at the right. Now take the remaining sari and turn it around in a wrap and bring it back to the right. Take the pallu section and start making pleats on the widthwise section. Once you're done, hold them straight and also pin it just on the shoulder by taking the pleats on the right side of the shoulder. Come back to the remaining sari on the left side and give a small tuck over here. And take the remaining loop to make skirt pleats on the lower half of the sari. And tuck them in your center waistline, and then just adjust the pleats on the front bodice, and you can also use a pin to tuck it on the first navel point. Now for the second draping style, we're going to take the sari and do the same process by tucking in the sari from the right side. Take one wrap around and stop on the right. Come back to the center, and you're going to take the center sari and make skirt pleats. Once you're done, tuck it in your center waistline. Take the remaining fabric and give it one more tuck in a wrap around and stop back at the center. Now take the remaining sari, hold the widthwise section to make pleats for the shoulder. Once done, drape them on the left shoulder from the front side and use a pin to secure them. Now take two pleats and tuck it in like this and use a pin to secure it at the front waistline, and you should have a cowl look like this. Now for the third style, take the sari and do the same process by the basic tuck. One wrap around and stop on the right side. Now we're going to take the fabric to make lower skirt pleats. Once done, tuck them in your center waistline. Now take the remaining fabric around and back to the right side and just give it a loose drape on the shoulder, and pick up the sari like this on the shoulder to give it a loosely draped look. You don't need to be neat on this because you want a long drape cowl. Use a pin to secure it and adjust your cowl.
So these were some of the styles of cotton and linen sari draping that you can opt for, and what you're seeing here are some of the latest trends of cotton and linen saris with matched paired blouses that you can also find on our website g3fashion.com, or you can use G3 Plus video shopping service to buy the collection. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're still new to the channel, and you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook for daily updates. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time.